Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off Minion Rush notifications. To turn off notifications from Minion Rush, you can follow these steps. First of all, open up the Minion Rush application on your device. Once you do this, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. From the gear menu, select Connectivity at the top. At the bottom of the screen, you should be able to see the notifications toggle. Tap on the toggle button to turn the notification off. After you do that, you should be able to successfully disable notifications from Minion Rush. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.